I want to go next so we don't keep a lot. One that a lot of people don't really know about is one called Whoredoms and Harlotries. It's the spirit of whoredoms and harlotries. And you'll find a lot of people that have that spirit as people who've gone through abortions. And because they've not completed the whole birth process, they've aborted it. And that abortion comes into a big part of their life where anything they seem to do, they end up aborting it. So they'll start 100 projects, and we all know people like that. Now they're gung-ho and they're gonna do it, and they'll do 3/4, half, 1/4, and then they abandon it, or they abort the project.
And they drop out, you know,
and it's on and on. And that whoredom and harlotries likes to either make them abandon something that they start because of that brokenness in them. And it seems to have like, where they have all that fire at the beginning of the project, but then, you know, I did it for a week, and, you know, like I bought $10,000 of weights and I lifted them for a week, you know, and I said, I'm tired of this, you know, I like how I look right now. They don't use the gym equipment anymore.
They start compromising and becoming indifferent a little bit.
And so that whoredom and harlotry is a big strong. And another thing they like to do is they like to prostitute, you know, things. So they'll even prostitute the gospel. They'll prostitute their abilities. I mean, anything that goes along with that. And it's like a whoredom or a harlotry because it'll use that prostitution as a way to make them feel, you know, justified, or make them feel that they have some adequacy within themselves. You know, and that whoredom and harlotry spirit, it's in a lot of people, and they don't recognize it. And a lot of things they'll find is that kind of indifferent comes up to finishing something, you know, like they're just like, oh, well, you know, like, you know, but they're gung-ho to start it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so whoredom and harlotry is another one. If you see the fruit of that, you know that if there's something that happened, like an abortion or something that you've cut off something. Another one that comes in a spirit of abortion is a spirit of murder. Usually comes on the womb, you know, through that action, because you're actually taking a life, you're actually killing a life. And that spirit of murder will come on, you know, where it tries to rest on the womb of that woman, you know, and it'll tie in with that other spirit. And they just need to come into repentance and ask forgiveness. And if they see the fruit of that in their life, they just need, you know, to be free of that and ask the Lord, or ask somebody to pray with them about that.